PennyPal, the stage is yours.
Thank you. Money, money, money. We are all about money. Okay. Banks control your money. Do you know where they invested? Do you know what are they funding? You don't. Today, we come up with an alternative to show you where your money is invested. Welcome to PenyPal. We are where finance is no longer just a mystery, it's a force for good, so that people can use your money to make their lives better. I'm Nilesh. I have around 21 years of experience in retail banking with multiple global leaders. All the brand names are here. We will talk about it in the question answer sessions. What's the problem? Almost around 50 million Europeans are financially excluded. 1.4 million expats in Poland do not have access to the credit market. Banks lacks transparency. Saving deposits acquire minimum interest rates when sitting in their banks. Entrepreneurs with great ideas are not able to execute their ideas because they do not fit the box. We saw the problem and we knew finance better and it can be smarter, so we built a solution. So this is crowdfunding marries Tinder, marries financing, marries a lot of other things where everybody involved makes money. A small investor who can start with a 500 zloty or a 100 zloty even can gain back as much as his risk appetite is. So here is the working model. We can talk about it more when we are in the question answer sessions, but the solution, the solution is a very simple AI-powered, blockchain secured, designed for new financial era. We have the underlying magic is our QScore, where rather than the BIC, we have created our proprietary algorithm which creates a QScore based on people's behavioral patterns. We call it not the credit score, but the better score.
Thank you very much. I'm sorry, I need to be cruel. But we have 3 minutes for our amazing jury. Please.
Yes, sir.
So the Q score is about defaults, right? So because in this business, it's very important to have very low scale of defaults. So tell us very quickly, how is it better, how you can better recognize who is going to pay back and who is not?
See, life is all about patterns. Okay, I've worked with TransUnion, Equifax, and all these companies. Everybody recognizes patterns. People always do not have credit cards. They do not have loans to showcase the credit score. What they have is a regular habit of paying their phone bills, regular habit of paying their rents on time, regular habit of paying fees for their children. We recognize these patterns, these habits, and formulate a score based on their patterns of repayment.
Okay, if I can follow up, very quick follow up. Yeah, but there are such systems, so you can find the score, like my credit score, you can download it from database and you have this data. And all banks use it.
Yeah, the banks use BIC. Okay, a BIC is based on your credit products. If you have a credit card and you're paying your credit card faster, then it recognizes and gives you a score. But for an expat or an underbanked who does not have a credit card, see, 35% of your credit score is based on the credit items which you have. So if you have a home loan, a car loan, a personal loan, and a credit card, and you're paying them properly, you have perfect scores. But if you have none and you have millions sitting in your banks, your credit score is shit. That's how it works. So we are not creating a credit score, we are creating a behavior score or a Q score which can utilize your repayment behavior. We predict your repayment behavior by using our score.
Yeah, I'm also curious on what are the accreditations that you need? Sorry, I'm here.
Oh, sorry, yeah.
Yeah, what are the accreditations that you need to go to market? How long does it take and what's the rough cost?
See, as of now, okay, I'll come to that slide. Okay, so we are presently working on our beta. We have also applied for 2 licenses. Presently, we are borrowing a license from a bank called Stereo. And then we are doing our beta testing, but we have applied for our SPI, Small Payment Institution license, and also for our Electronic Money Institution license. And we will also be integrating cryptocurrencies in this. So that would need us to create a MiCA licensing. So these are the 3 licenses which we are going on.
And just to get the rough estimate, how much does it cost to get all of this, and how long does it take?
So, if you go in the market, it costs around 100K to get all these licenses. Okay, but we are the expert, and I have been doing this in the past, and I have been helping WASPs get these licenses. So it's around 50K.
Thank you very much. PennyPal, thank you very much.